Okay, kiddos, have you ever seen one of these guys? It's usually called an origami fortune teller. I didn't do mine with fortunes in it. I'll show you what I did with mine when we open it up, but I'm going to show you how to make one of these and some different creative things that you can do with it. So super easy to make. All you need are some pens, some different colors if you want to decorate it, or you can just have a regular pencil or pen if you don't have colored pens. And you need some scissors or someone who can help you do one cut. And then you just need a regular sheet of paper, okay? So I'm going to show you, you're going to do some folds for it. The first thing you're going to do is you need to make this rectangle piece of paper into a square. So you fold it over. Make sure you get that corner straight and then line it up and hold it, and then you're gonna fold it down and push it down really good so you get a nice crease with your finger, okay? And so see how you have it folded and then you have this empty space over here, so we're gonna cut off that strip. So get your scissors or ask your mom or dad or someone to help you cut if you don't want to cut yourself. So you're just going to follow that line straight down. Okay, you're all done with the scissors, and now we have a square piece of paper, okay? So you see where you have that fold? You're going to do a fold the other way. So take it, match the corners, the points, and again, crease it really good with your fingers. Okay, then you have that. And then you're going to take each of the corners and put it right into the middle of the paper and make that point touch. And crease it down, and then I turn it around and do the other side and make it match the points and crease it down. And then the third corner, make them all meet up together and crease it down. And then the fourth one, fold it and crease it down, okay? So now you have all those points in the middle. You're going to flip it over, and now you're going to do this side, and you're going to fold it to the middle point again, and then we're going to do the opposite one, and fold it. Third point, matching them up in the middle, and fold it down. Fourth one, take it to the middle, fold it down. Okay, so now you have that side. So you have one side that looks like this and one side that looks like that. Okay, then you're going to take your paper and fold it in half like that. Let's do that way, and then fold it in half the other way. So I folded it, and then I opened it back up, and now I'm turning it the other way and folding it just to get those creases in there. Okay, so now I'm all done with my folding, and you see these outside flaps? I'm going to put my finger and my thumbs in there, and my fingers and my thumbs in there. And then I've got my little fortune teller or whatever you want to call it, and make it like that. So now that it's all folded, flatten it out. And just like I did on this one, you can do whatever you want. You can write a word on there. I did a color, and I did a different design for each color. So I have orange and a heart. I have red and a dot. I have green and a square, and then pink and a little swirl. So I wrote the names of the color if you want. And then on the inside, I wrote all the different triangles. I numbered them 1 through 8 because there are 8 triangles. So 1, 2, I went all the way around and did to number 8. Okay. And then on the inside, I opened it up and I wrote some things on the inside. And I'll give you some examples of what I wrote. I said, one of them says, do 10 jumping jacks. The other one says, draw a rainbow. Another one says, tell someone something you appreciate about them. The other one says, put 3 things away. I bet your mom would like it if you got that one. Do a somersault. The other one says, meditate for 2 minutes. The other one says, give someone a hug or high five. And then the last one I wrote says, share something you're grateful for. Okay, so then the way you play it, if you haven't done this before, so then you're going to put your fingers in here, and you're going to have a partner, and you're going to tell them to pick a color. And they pick a color, so say they pick pink. You're going to do P-I-N-K. And then out of the numbers that they can see, you say pick a number. And they're going to pick a number, and I'm going to pick 3. So then I go 1, 2, 3. And then they pick a number again. And so I'll say I'm going to pick number 4. So I open it up, and I look at number 4, and number 4 says, do a somersault. So then I would have to do a somersault. So have fun. It's a super fun game, and you can if you have other creative ideas, let us know and show me what you guys make. All right, have a good day. Bye.